Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something powerful, 4 simple yet super effective attitudes that can make her absolutely obsessed with you. These aren't tricks or gimmicks, but genuine approaches that naturally draw people in. So if you're ready to be the guy she can't get out of her mind, stick around because I'm going to break down exactly how to do that. All right, let's start with the first attitude, authentic confidence. Now, I know you've heard this before, be confident, but here's the thing. Real confidence doesn't come from just acting tough or being cocky. Authentic confidence, it's about knowing yourself, what you want, and owning it without apology. Think about it. Confidence isn't about trying to impress others, it's about being comfortable in your own skin. When you're genuinely confident, you're not seeking validation from anyone else, and that's magnetic. When a woman sees a man who's genuinely comfortable with who he is, it signals to her that he's reliable, grounded, and has self-worth. This isn't about bragging or trying to be the loudest in the room. It's about that quiet strength that speaks for itself. Start small, focus on understanding and embracing your strengths and even your weaknesses. When you carry yourself with authentic confidence, you're sending message that you're the type of guy who's comfortable with himself, and that's incredibly attractive. Now, the second attitude that can make her obsess over you is having empathy and showing genuine interest. This is a big one because it's not about being overly nice or always agreeing with her. It's about making her feel understood and valued. Empathy is key to creating a deep connection. When you show genuine interest what she has to say, really listen to her and remember the little details. It builds trust. This is more than just surface-level charm. It's about truly caring. If she's talking about her passions or her dreams, be there for her. Ask her questions and remember the things she shares. The little things matter. Don't underestimate the power of making her feel heard when she realizes that you're paying attention and actually care about her thoughts and feelings. It's unforgettable. It sets you apart from the crowd, and she'll start thinking about you even when you're not around. All right, moving on to the third attitude, having your own life and passions sometimes. This one might sound simple, but it's incredibly effective. When you're focused on your own goals, ambitions, and hobbies, it makes you attractive. Why? Because it shows her that you're someone who brings value into your own life and hers. Being passionate about something, whether it's your career, a hobby, or a cause, gives you depth and individuality. It also means you're not dependent on her for your happiness, which is a refreshing attitude. Women are attracted to men who have their own lives because it shows confidence and self-sufficiency. When she sees that you're actively pursuing your passions, it inspires her to do the same. This doesn't mean you're unavailable. It means you're interesting. When you're genuinely invested in something you love, you have more to offer in a relationship. You become someone she can admire, and that makes a huge impact. Finally, the fourth attitude, respect and boundaries. This might sound straightforward, but setting healthy boundaries and showing respect for both yourself and her is crucial. Boundaries are what set apart a healthy relationship from one that's overly clingy or chaotic. Respect her time, her space, and her decisions. But equally important is respecting your own boundaries. Know when to say no, when to set limits, and when to prioritize your own needs. When you're focused on your own goals, ambitions, and hobbies, it makes you attractive. Why? Because it shows her that you're someone who brings value into your own life and hers. Being passionate about something, whether it's your career, a hobby, or a cause, gives you depth and individuality. It also means you're not dependent on her for your happiness, which is a refreshing attitude. Women are attracted to men who have their own lives because it shows confidence and self-sufficiency. When she sees that you're actively pursuing your passions, it inspires her to do the same. This doesn't mean you're unavailable, it means you're interesting. When you're genuinely invested in something you love, you have more to offer in a relationship. You become someone she can admire, and that makes a huge impact. This doesn't make you selfish, it makes you balanced. A woman will feel safer and more respected when she knows you respect yourself too. Setting boundaries is not about pushing her away. It's about creating a solid foundation. It shows her that you value both of you as individuals and you're willing to maintain a healthy balance. And trust me, when she feels that sense of respect, it builds her admiration and attraction for you. So there you have it. These 4 simple attitudes: authentic confidence, empathy, and genuine interest. Having your own passions and respecting boundaries are powerful in their own right. Put into practice, and you'll not only stand out, but you'll also create a magnetic presence that she can't help but be drawn to. Let me know in the comments which of these 4 attitudes resonates with you the most, or if there's one you'd like to work on. Remember, building meaningful connections is about authenticity, respect, and self-worth. Dear viewers, if you like this video, do share them with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.